Right. So if you go down the list of all the different, the guidelines, the third one was use fundamental identities. The fourth was, if you can't think of anything else, convert everything to sines and cosines. See what happens. And that's what this is. I mean, honestly, we have a sine and a cosine. We only have one that's not. Right. So let's write this in terms of sines and cosines. Yeah. Yes. That's a multiply right there. Right. So write this as sine t plus cosine t over sine t times cosine t. Right. Substitute for the cotangent. Now everything's sines and cosines. And by doing that, now we got fractions to add. So what do I need to do so I can add those fractions? Okay, you don't multiply everything by sine t. What do you multiply by sine t? Over sine t. Just this first term. Just the first term, right? Multiply this by sine t over sine t. Right, now they both have the same denominator. And in the numerator you have sine squared t plus cosine squared t. Yeah.
Why didn't you make the cosine have a common denominator?
Here? That's all in the same term here. Right? It's all in the same term. It's not like it's another term. There's not a plus or a minus in between those. Okay. So now what's the substitution? Sine squared plus cosine squared is a 1, right? So replace the numerator with a 1, which is cosecant of t. And again, that came from the first section. It wasn't a verify, just a simplify. So that's about as simple as we can get. Again, that's showing that fourth bullet in the guidelines, which is, when in doubt, turn it all into sines and cosines. Now, the one thing I'll caution you, a lot of times you guys jump to that step too quickly, right? Where it really wasn't necessary to go there. But I mean, it just comes with a little bit of practice, I guess.